Welcome! In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a flowchart in Microsoft PowerPoint. A flowchart is a type of diagram that represents a workflow or process of an action. A flowchart uses multiple shapes to define the type of step, along with connecting arrows to define flow and sequence. When creating a flowchart, it's important to know the basic shapes and their use. These shapes are used to start and end a flowchart, and to mark a process, decision, input, document, data, database, on-page or off-page reference, and of course there's the flow arrow. To create a flowchart, navigate to the Insert tab, and in the Illustrations group, select Smart Art. On the left side of a dialog box that appears, select Hierarchy and choose one of the designs. In this video, we are going to select the Organization Chart option and click OK. You can see that PowerPoint inserted our chosen figure. To illustrate, we're going to insert a very simple example of a flowchart. Expand the text pane by clicking the arrow on the right and erase all the pre-formatted text. Now we can start defining the process. The first shape will represent the start of the process. So we're going to type, for example, lamp doesn't work. Hit Enter, and the next shape appears. To connect it to the previous one, hit the Tab key. This shape represents a decision with two possible outcomes. The lamp is plugged in, or it is not. After writing the decision, move to the next lines by hitting the Enter and Tab keys. Write Yes on one line and No on another. Each of these outcomes has an action. To illustrate, let's navigate to No by typing the outcome Plug in lamp. Similarly, add an action for the Yes option. Hit Enter, then Tab, and write the outcome. Continue to another decision, whether the bulb is burnt out or not. Once again, move to the next lines by hitting Enter and Tab, and write Yes on one line and No on another. Then, add the outcome actions. Now let's transform the shape so it looks like a flowchart. Select the given shapes and change them. Let's start by selecting the start and end processes. These are the terminal shapes of the flowchart. To transform them, navigate to the Format tab that appears in the ribbon, and in the Shapes group, select Change Shape. In the drop-down menu, under Flowchart, select Alternate Process. Next, for the decision, we will use the diamond shape. Again, navigate to the Format tab, select Change Shape, select Diamond Shape. Since the remaining shapes represent the process, we will keep them as they are. Lastly, select all the line shapes and change them to arrows. Navigate to the Format tab, and in Shape Styles, select the Shape Outline option to expand the drop-down menu. Select Arrows, and click the option as shown in the tutorial. This is a basic flowchart. You can use all the formatting features to change the shape or the text of the flowchart. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.